welcome to the other side of Amodis today, and here we are going to learn how to see how I do my evening routine. I'm taking corn, I love corn, and so here we are going to prepare corned beef, some sarati, I don't know how they are called. It's from a family of skuma wiki, and we are going again to prepare some chapati. So get locked with some little motivation in here. I'm cutting them. I'm not a pro in cutting, but I'm trying to cut this, and this is the outcome. So after this, we are going to do some evening catch up. I did some cleaning today, so I'm going to fold the clothes and do everything that I normally do. These are the corned beef. I just deep fried them and it is ready for use. So alongside this, I normally watch my favorite channel on YouTube, mainly Inspiring Ladies. That is what I love. After this, alongside this, I'm going to fold some clothes that I did during the day. Everything is in a total mess, but this is my today evening routine. So what I want to say today is, whichever place you are, just learn to celebrate yourself. Just learn to do things that make you happy. Don't wait for that moment when you will feel like I'm in this stage to celebrate. No, celebration is supposed to be done every day. Thank God for everything. Be prayerful, and God is going to do something great. My prayer is that I may shift from this house. So I'm going to heat up this water. I want to make some dough, and here we go. I want to make this dough for chapati and then leave it for like some 15 minutes, and then we'll be good to go. After folding cloths, so this is how the dough look like, and we want to start making it preferably after a few minutes. So this is the final outcome. I've folded the clothes. I want to put them where they're supposed to be. So I live in a business errand. So here I'm closing the door because it is literally so dark. So I want to start my evening routine. So I'm going to do the sales of today, so I can see what I've made today. But every day with this day, I think I'm not that bad. This is my black book whereby I read there my returns and all that. So we are going to brush my teeth, brushing of teeth, and then washing the face. I normally do a face mask, but today I think I'm fighting acne, but I'm hoping with the age this is a mixture of molasses and all that. I'm going to give you a little video over that after some moments. So here we have those greens ready, the tomatoes are pretty ready, the onions and everything. So I'll be cooking alongside doing this evening routine. I want to mask my face before everything I start cooking. So here is the bowl for face washing. Then alongside that, I'm going to heat up the jiko. Guys, my evenings are literally so busy. Alongside that, I'm going to now apply my face. I'm using Garnier products, even in match vitamin C and active meat. They are super expensive, but I've seen they are literally working. I cannot recommend now. I'll give you the answer later. Let's cook. Little oil. I think I wanted to make a stew, so here we are doing some chapati. I don't like chapati, but I felt like this day I just want to eat this. This is actually the final product. Not pretty good, but they are good, but they don't exceed my mother's. I miss my mama. Rest in peace. So guys, another thing I wanted to tie today is, what about the waiting season? When you wait on God, sometimes it is pretty difficult, but you just have to wait because He saves the best for the last. Here I'm almost done, but I've just made my bed. Beside the other end is my business errand, so you have to understand that I'm living in a business premise area. This is my sleeping romper, and my babies are top of this. I love dolls. It's time to serve. It's time to serve. And when we eat, we have to get a balanced diet. Always remember that. I told you guys I'm going to give you how I normally look like when I mask my face. This is how I normally look like. This is molasses, honey, and some turmeric. So my greens are almost done. This is how corned beef looks like together with these greens. I can't wait to taste them. They are very, very yummy. This is how it look like. Welcome for dinner. So when you wait on God, what are you supposed to do? You have to lean on his promises. This is my evening routine. I normally do a devotion. So these are my 3 types of books that I use. There is a diary, there is a mood book, then there is a thought book, then affirmation book. So I also do some devotion. It's 10:43. I'm pretty late, but I normally sleep at 12 a.m. So I'm going to read my mood book, to write my mood book today, my thought book, then of course my Bible, and then my diary book. Then we shall be. Again, I am a Sunday school teacher. I love the children ministry. So today I'm going to prepare for the teachings of Sunday, and we are going to learn about kind mothers Abel. After that, I have to grab my phone. There is this book that I'm reading. Oh, this my husband. It is a good book. I can recommend it for anybody, whether you're married or you're not married. For some of us, we are preparing to get married, so we read lots of books. It's time now to pray, then read the Bible, then we shall meet tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you've not subscribed, kindly do so. Check the description box. Thank you. Bye bye.